U.S. State Department says the U.S. Secretary of State Rex Tillerson and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov will meet in Washington on Wednesday. It says in a statement the Syrian issue will top the agenda. They are expected to discuss humanitarian aid for civilians and preparation for political means to solve the crisis. The two diplomats will also talk about the ongoing Ukraine crisis. Meanwhile, the bilateral ties will be another important topic for the meeting. The relations between the two powers have hit a new low since early April when the U.S. launched an airstrike towards a Syrian military base. Tillerson said last Wednesday that the two countries need to change the status quo.